Welcome to our channel. Today, you'll be surprised to learn what a sugar glider enjoys eating and how much an elephant can consume in a day. You'll also witness a very rare video where two of the most dangerous predators indulge in something other than meat: whipped cream. But before we dive into the dietary habits of our smaller counterparts, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. Kung Fu Panda has switched to a diet and now prefers apples to dumplings. It's worth noting that he does it quite intelligently, taking small bites instead of consuming the whole apple at once. However, their favorite treat remains bamboo, making up over 99% of an adult panda's diet. Their digestive system is specially adapted for efficient bamboo processing, featuring strong jaw muscles and sharp molars to help them chew bamboo leaves and stems. Did you think they only eat bananas? Now watch the gorilla enthusiastically devour a whole cucumber in seconds, likely seeking for more. While these animals primarily consume leaves in the wild, when they come across fruits, they don't hesitate to enjoy them. There have even been cases of them consuming bamboo. Hopefully, the panda won't become too greedy. ASMR enthusiasts will undoubtedly appreciate this adorable video where a groundhog munches on peppers and pumpkins. Their diet typically consists of grasses, clover, dandelions, and various other wild plants, but they can also eat garden crops. Moreover, these little rodents have no limits when it comes to eating. They can consume a significant amount of food in a relatively short period of time and store it in their burrows for hibernation. What an appetite! Another curious rodent that will amaze you with its ability to stuff food into its mouth. It can outdo a black hole. One of the most distinctive features of hamsters is their cheek pouches, which allow them to carry food and nesting material to their burrows. They can expand these pouches to carry items much larger than their heads. Wondering why this cat eats better than you? In reality, this is an excellent diet for a domestic pet. Cats require a balanced diet, with a significant portion being high-quality animal protein to maintain muscle mass, energy, and overall health. But there's another interesting fact about these furry creatures. Our old friend is back. But this time, they've shifted to sweeter treats. While it may look adorable, it's essential to understand that overindulging in such foods isn't recommended. The squirrel's digestive system can't process this type of food efficiently. Their natural diet primarily consists of plants, and waffles made of flour, eggs, and other ingredients aren't part of their usual fare. We've already learned some interesting facts about smaller animals, and now it's time to meet a hippo. Yes, don't be surprised, they can easily devour a whole watermelon or pumpkin, maybe even both at once. Just look at how quickly they eat everything. In the wild, they prefer consuming short grass, which is easier to digest. In a day, they can consume 36 kilograms of vegetation. By the way, did you know that these seemingly cute creatures are quite aggressive? Take a look at this angelic sugar glider. Yes, it's a sugar glider happily munching on a tasty larva, providing them with plenty of protein. They also consume nectar, tree sap, and fruits. There's a reason they're called sugar gliders. They are well adapted to extracting sap from trees thanks to their sharp teeth and a specialized tongue for extracting sap from trees like eucalyptus. Now that's what I call a banana fair. Watch how each of them quickly grabs several fruits and scurries away, with some even quarreling. But it would be a huge stereotype to claim that monkeys only eat bananas. In reality, these animals have a vast menu. Depending on their habitat, they consume fruits, leaves, seeds, flowers, insects, and even small vertebrates. Moreover, monkeys can be considered farmers. When they consume fruits, they swallow seeds whole. Later, these seeds exit their bodies with feces in various locations, aiding in plant species propagation and regeneration. An unexpected duo greets us in this video: a guinea pig and a tortoise. This time, they were treated to strawberries. Interestingly, while the tortoise is slower, it doesn't lag behind its friend. In the wild, animals like tortoises mainly consume algae. Nature has equipped them with beak-like mouths that allow them to cut and grind plant matter. When it comes to guinea pigs, strawberries should be given very carefully and in moderation. Although fruits are a good source of vitamin C, which is beneficial for them, they should be given in small amounts due to their sugar content. Oh, just look at this adorable raccoon munching on sweets from the hand of a human. This isn't the rocket raccoon who can prepare full breakfast for you. By the way, raccoons are often called masked bandits because of the black markings around their eyes resembling a mask. Their appearance, combined with their reputation for rummaging through garbage cans, has led to them being associated with mischief. Plus, they are highly intelligent. They can open containers and doors to reach what they wish. Another giant in our studio, but this time it's a rhinoceros. This proud animal with a horn on its snout usually uses that horn for territorial defense. But here, it's simply cracking open a watermelon. Even animals don't really enjoy the rind. In the wild, these animals are quite selective. They use their prehensile upper lip to grasp preferred parts of a plant and often avoid eating spiky or prickly vegetation. So, who do you think would win in a plant-eating contest? A rhino or a hippo? Sometimes, even predators like leopards and lions enjoy something sweet. A woman came into the enclosure to visit her friends Tanku and Bintu and brought them a little treat. She fed them whipped cream right from her hand. While they may look cute in the video, remember that leopards are top predators, hunting a wide range of animals, from rodents to elephants. Leopards are known for their ability to hoist their kills into trees to avoid scavengers and protect their prey. They can stash their kills in trees for several days and can consume up to 88 pounds in a single meal. Another predator, albeit a smaller one, is eating not whipped cream, but a whole watermelon. Just look at how much they enjoy it. Don't be surprised to see a predator indulging in plant-based food. Pumpkins are often recommended for cats with digestive issues, such as constipation or diarrhea. The fiber in pumpkins helps regulate bowel movements. Oops, it seems this snake has made a mistake by swallowing a tennis ball. But see how easily the ball passes through its body? This is possible due to their flexible spine and ribs. They can ingest prey much larger than their heads. Snakes can dislocate their jaws to accommodate large prey. They swallow their food whole, and their digestive system is adapted to break down and absorb nutrients from the entire animal. You won't encounter such unusual animals while strolling through a city park. Before you is a true anteater. I think you've already guessed why it's called that. But we won't see it devouring various insects. Instead, it's trying some cream soup in this video. Notice how long its tongue is? It's not for nothing. They use it to reach deep into ant and termite nests and quickly extract insects. In the comments, let us know which of these animals you'd like to have as a pet. My choice is the sugar glider. If you don't encounter the previous animal in a park, you can fairly often spot this little forest rodent. You can treat them to some delicious snacks, as shown in this video. It's no secret that squirrels love various nuts, but they can eat more than just plant-based food. Sometimes they enjoy eating bird eggs and insects. Squirrels also store nuts by burying them in the ground. They have incredible memory, allowing them to locate their stashes and retrieve them when needed, even if they're buried under the snow. Closing our collection is the largest animal of all, the elephant. In this video, you see how a giant is fed. Just toss a watermelon into its mouth, as if you're playing basketball. But of course, for these giants, this watermelon is like a small snack, more like a dessert. Over the course of a day, these colossal creatures consume around 660 pounds of various vegetation. They eat grass, leaves, fruits, bark, and roots. That's all, dear friends. Today, we relaxed while watching such cute videos and learned some interesting information. If you enjoyed this format, please write in the comments more facts. We will definitely take that into account.